GLLED Cabinet Lighting Product Family Overview. Integrated lighting system for cabinets, displays, and shelving. This isn't just an under-cabinet light. It's a complete cabinet lighting system, designed to work together. Smart control solutions. Under cabinet light fixtures. Cabinet power supply system. Now, let's take a closer look at smart control solutions. Smart cabinet lighting control system, built for projects of every size. Multiple sensor options, wired and wireless control, independent or master control. One controller controls up to 480 feet of cabinet lighting. Door sensor. Door sensors automatically turn the lights on when the cabinet door opens and off when it closes. Drawer sensor. Drawer sensors provide automatic lighting every time a drawer is opened. Hand wave sensor. Simply wave your hand to turn the light on or off. Hold your hand in front of the sensor to smoothly adjust brightness. Touch switch and dimmer. Touch controls offer simple operation. A short press turns the light on or off. Press and hold to adjust the brightness. Under cabinet light fixtures. Custom lengths for any cabinet. Super easy DIY installation. Multiple brightness options. Selectable CCT available. Classic surface light. Low profile surface light. Classic recessed light. Angled recessed light. If you're interested in how these light fixtures are designed and built, we've already made a dedicated video about that. You'll find the link in the description below. Cabinet power supply system. The foundation of a smarter cabinet lighting system. Flexible AC input. AC pass-through design. Built-in signal control. Constant 24-volt output. Plug and play design. Want to see how it all works? Watch the centralized control power supply video. You'll find the link in the description below. Have a cabinet, closet, display, or millwork lighting project? Contact GLLED today for complete lighting solutions and expert technical support. Contact us at admin@glledus.com.